Hey guys, hope you guys know about the world famous social media influencer, content creator has visited Sri Lanka recently. He has millions of followers and billions of views. Nas Daily is back in Sri Lanka. That's a huge step for Sri Lankan tourism. And to develop tourism industry, we need some support from these kind of people to get Sri Lanka into the world next level. He also arranged a session at BMICH to meet up some Sri Lankan fellows and sharing some ideas, having some discussions, get some ideas, get to know the local people. And I saw that in social media sites and YouTube channels, people have visited him. He was also happily living the moment. That's actually a good thing for Sri Lanka. During his visit, he also met this drone Mudiyanse, and he got lucky to do some work with him as well. Nas Daily has signed a contract with Sri Lankan Tourism Minister Harin Fernando for some future development of Sri Lanka, and he will be initiating some videos of projects of Sri Lanka, focusing on increasing of the tourism production on Sri Lanka. Hope those things will be taking place soon, so then the Sri Lankan tourism will have a boom in next few months, and by 2024 we have positive feeling that Sri Lanka tourism is going back to rise in South Asia and in the world. He also visited the Jetwing Lighthouse, one of the iconic hotels in Sri Lanka in down south Goal. Lighthouse has given him a traditional welcome. With the pictures that we saw, Nas Daily has impressed with the service and welcome that he was given by Jetwing Lighthouse. We believe that he enjoyed the Sri Lanka visit and he has gone into the Sri Lankan culture, he has gone into the Sri Lankan nature, and from everything there's a positive feeling for the Sri Lankan tourism. We believe and we hope for Sri Lanka's best recovery in tourism industry very soon. I have shared some links in the description for you to refer. If you like to get any clarification, any more information regarding this is Nas Daily's visit to Sri Lanka, just let me know in the comments. I will check in and update you as soon as possible. So keep in touch. We are Hotel Hunt team.